In this review guys, I will show you the Christmas Empire, which is a product brought to you by Alexander Zambozi, which is a super affiliate on Warrior Plus. As you can see guys, this is the sales page. The products have a lot plus 250 images for you with unlimited rights. They have created and then assembled a collection of unique, highly desirable Christmas images that you can use to make money this holiday season. So guys, 50 Christmas images from artificial intelligence. This is a small preview, and images have been reduced in size and quality. Of course, as you can see guys, the images are gorgeous and you can use them for your branch demand, e-commerce, for blog, and a lot. Also, you have 150 vintage Christmas images, and this is a small review. Since they are public domain, you can use them however you wish, and like getting pictures with copyright protections. These images are digital, which means you will have instant access to them. You can download and begin working with them in a matter of minutes. 50 Christmas photos. This is a small preview, and images have been reduced in size, as you can see guys. This collection is growing pretty huge at this point, and you're going to love these 50 additional Christmas photos. Images, everything you can do it as such. Images like this guys, as I said, you can sell them as a brand. Also, you can sell them as a posters, put them on t-shirts and apparel, and sell them on branch demand. T-shirts and other clothing sales trend upward during the holidays. You can cash it by putting these images on t-shirts using popular online t-shirt printing companies like Amazon Merch, Redbubble, and more, and also Etsy. Put them on mugs and other products to sell. Start a photo blog, which is great. Use them in YouTube videos to drive traffic. Also guys, you can use them on Pinterest to drive traffic. Of course, Pinterest is another image focused social network that you can use to bring in hordes of traffic to your website. These images would look good as pins on any holiday theme. Use them in your business, which is absolutely great. Create derivative works like printables. Sell the whole collection as a product. And also guys, you can as you can see, those are just a few methods you can use, and there is a lot of methods to benefit from these images. And of course guys, the product comes with exclusive bonuses, 5 memes with unlimited rights for you. As I said guys, there is 15 never seen before Christmas images, 150 vintage Christmas images, 50 Christmas photos, unlimited rights, and an exclusive bonus of 5 memes designed for you. The price guys is $9.99, one time pay, no monthly fees. And the product, as you can see, brought to you by Alexandro Zamboni. Of course guys, you need to see the sales page to know more about this product before you take any action. That's it guys for this review. I wish you benefit. If so, please give this video a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, join our family on YouTube. The Black Hustler was with you, and see you later.